United Business Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If your business relies on air travel, this card could quietly cut your costs while upgrading your travel experience. The United Business Card earns miles on every purchase, with elevated rewards on United purchases, dining, and gas. You also get free checked bags, priority boarding, and statement credits toward United purchases. One of the biggest benefits is faster progress toward elite status. That can mean free upgrades and better travel experiences. If United is your main airline, this card can easily pay for itself. Verdict: worth it for United business travelers.